Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 8, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Fifth row, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will be another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th grid, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 3. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, the 3 is confirmed here. 2 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, we have 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 4, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 5th grid, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grid, only one number is remaining 8, 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 5, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 9th grade, column E and column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column E and 9th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 2 and 4, so 2 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining 4, 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 6, 5, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column G and 3rd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, 4th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining 6, 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 3rd row, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6, 6th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column F, we have 5 and 8, so 5 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 2nd grade, only one number is remaining 6, 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C and 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. I will confirm later. 7th grade and 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8. 4th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grid, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, only one number, sorry, 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column J, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column H, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 3rd grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.